What's up, everybody? My name is Julian Zeus McClurkin.
And I'm Mark Splash Blount.
Of the world famous Harlem Globetrotters. We just finished a wonderful training camp. I've been on the team for 12 years. Mark's been on the team for 8 years. I'm about to school him in some one-on-one, right?
Some what?
Some one-on-one.
Let's get it, man.
All right, you set the ground rules.
All right, so the rules are first to 5 wins.
Can you count? Oh, you get ball first?
Yes, I can count to 5, and I get ball first.
All right, let's go.
That's good. So we're gonna start off with a jump shot. So
He ain't even stretched though.
wait, are we check and rock, or make it take it, just get it, take it back, and
let's check it. Oh, I was talking to you. We was talking. We was in the middle of a conversation.
That's one. Oh, you playing like that?
No. Not in my house. Believe it or not, I'm tired already.
Let's get it.
Now, what's your name again?
Where you going? Flash. Because.
Why they call you Splash?
Let me tell you why they call me Splash. So, the reason why they call me Splash is because every time I shoot the ball,
you're not shooting that.
and every time
You're not shooting that. I know you're not.
I messed up. Lost it.
Edit that one.
Oh,
Jeez.
2. 0.
2-0. Come on. Yeah. One of them things.
2-1, I'm up.
2-1, you up?
2-1, I'm up. Nope. That's all. Good shot. That's the last you get. That's the last. One more. Nope. I don't think you can make it twice. Nope. That's
the
all.
lady's name. I'm Mister. All right, you ready? Oh no. Wait. Zeus smash.
Come on. Nope. Nope.
I need a dramatic effect. Try to end nice.
Is that 4?
4-2.
4-2.
No, don't you start.
No.
Don't you start. Don't you start.
Oh. 4-2. I need one stop. In
our games, we have 4-pointers.
4 points. What's the
These
4
are
point?
30 feet away from the basket. Nothing but net. Nothing. Literally nothing but net. That's all I hit was the net. No splasher. Do you know Splasher and Prancer and Dancer?
Oh, that's because. Nope. That's all.
Hey.
Up. Good game. Good game, Zeus. Good job, buddy.
Appreciate it.
I let you win.
I appreciate it.
I let him win, everybody. Just for the record, let's just let them know.
The last shot is called a fade. If you want to see a good example of a fade, this isn't a good one. Hey! I don't do too much losing. Yeah, I'm glad.
We like that. What's up, Globetrotters fans? It's Jason Buckets Barrera. Let's play King of the Court. Who wants to challenge me?
Your man Too Tall Winston wants this challenge. The game is for 5, all ones. Man, check this
Come
ball
on, bro.
up.
Come
man.
on.
For real,
Come on, bro.
Let's go. Let's
I don't
get
do
it.
too much losing,
Right
bro.
now, man.
I don't do too much.
See what I mean, man? Buck it already. That's one.
Come on.
It's one right there.
Come on, check up.
Check it up, then.
Check it up.
Yep,
Check it up. Check it up.
Oh, short. Foul.
Go!
Foul.
I don't think so. I don't think
What's up? Oh, we living, man. Hey, man, listen, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. No.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah. That's 2 up. That's 2 up.
Is that 3? You go 2
That's
straight?
We all
Go
one.
2 straight?
That's all one.
On ones? Game 5, right?
Yep, game 5.
Game 5?
Hey!
Good tight.
Ooh!
3-1, like that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Off the glass.
We like that. Let's go.
Tight. 3-2.
Oh, foul. And one. Game point. Game. Game. I don't do too much losing. I don't do too much losing. The game will do it. Come on now. Who wants to challenge? Who got next? Woo!